Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Homemade Beauty where we show you some amazing home remedies for all of your hair and skin concerns using ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. Today I'll be showing you 3 masks that you can make with garlic. I know garlic can have quite a pungent smell, but it has a lot of health benefits. It is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help replenish your skin and hair. Apart from helping you lose weight, controlling your blood pressure and fighting diabetes, it also has a lot of hair and skin benefits. So that was it for today's episode of Homemade Beauty. Tune in next week for another one. Also, check out the POPxo shop because we have some amazing things out there. We have fanny packs, backpacks, makeup pouches, diaries and a lot more. Click on the link in the description box below and go crazy shopping. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.